Hi, this is Keel's Garage. Welcome to our channel. Today, we're delving into the world of automotive essentials, focusing on the best alternator brand. Whether you're a car enthusiast or a DIY mechanic, finding the right alternator can make all the difference. Subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to like, comment, and share your thoughts with the community. Let's get started. Number 1. ACDelco Gold Alternator, your go-to solution for reliable power performance. Whether you're cruising down the highway or navigating city streets, this alternator ensures your vehicle runs smoothly and efficiently. With its premium build quality and dependable output, you can count on it to keep your car's electrical system in top shape. Say goodbye to worries about battery drainage or voltage fluctuations. The ACDelco Gold Alternator delivers consistent power, making it a must-have upgrade for any vehicle. Trust in its proven track record and experience the difference firsthand. Number 2. Rare Electrical's 110A Chrome Street Rod GM High Output Alternator, the ultimate solution for enthusiasts seeking top-notch performance and style for their vehicles. This powerhouse is not just a standard alternator, it's a game-changer. With compatibility for one-wire self-exciting energizing, installation is a breeze, ensuring a hassle-free upgrade experience. The chrome finish adds a touch of sleekness under the hood, elevating the aesthetics of any street rod. Boasting a whopping 110A output, this alternator guarantees reliable power delivery, even in demanding conditions. Say goodbye to worries about electrical performance with Rare Electrical's high-quality solution. Number 3. Parts Player's latest innovation, the new Alternator High Output 255 amp, meticulously crafted for Chevy, Chevrolet, Silverado truck, van, Isuzu, Hummer, and Saab vehicles. This powerhouse of an alternator promises unparalleled performance, ensuring your vehicle runs smoothly even under the most demanding conditions. Engineered with precision and reliability in mind, it boasts a robust build and compatibility across a range of models, providing peace of mind for drivers seeking top-tier quality. Upgrade your vehicle's power system with Parts Player's exceptional alternator and experience the difference on the road. Number 4. DB Electrical's 400 to 14,040 alternator for Ford Mustang is a game-changer. Offering seamless compatibility and remarkable performance, it's the ultimate solution for Mustang owners seeking reliability and power. Engineered with precision, this alternator ensures optimal electrical output, guaranteeing smooth operation even in the most demanding conditions. Its compatibility makes installation a breeze, saving both time and hassle. With DB Electrical's reputation for excellence, you can trust that this alternator will deliver top-notch performance, making it a must-have upgrade for any Mustang enthusiast. Number 5. Powermaster 7294 Alternator, the powerhouse behind your vehicle's electrical system. This robust alternator delivers unrivaled performance, ensuring a steady and reliable power supply to meet all your vehicle's demands. With its high-output design, it's built to handle even the most demanding situations, whether you're cruising down the highway or off-road adventures. Installation is a breeze thanks to its precise engineering and compatibility with a wide range of vehicles. Say goodbye to electrical woes and hello to seamless power with the Powermaster 7294 Alternator. In conclusion, when it comes to the best alternator brand, it's essential to consider performance, reliability, and customer satisfaction. After thorough research, insert brand name emerges as a top contender, offering durability and efficiency. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to like and share for more insightful content like this.